Here we've got the 2019 Chevy SIlverado Z71 TrailBoss. And Chevy's finally gotten in the same realm as your Ram Rebels and trying to get close to those Raptors in terms of the stance and the overall aggressive look of the TrailBoss. It's a little lift there compared to the regular Silverados. And your 20-inch aluminum wheels. And this one here has actually got the jet black leather as well as the Bose sound. Then all of your controls, including a trailer brake controller there. You can toggle the auto stop. And then your power lift gate. Tailgate, I'm sorry. I really like that dual exhaust they got going there. And there's a quick walk around of your 2019 Chevy SIlverado TrailBoss.